go back. I believe many of us, if not all, chanted this song while growing up. But I'm guessing that's probably the only Yoruba you can speak.
Yeah, okay,
Am
you're
I
right,
wrong?
you're right.
I'm a Yoruba boy. I'm a Yoruba girl. It's not by mouth, oh. Can you speak proper Yoruba language? Are you not tired of looking for a translator anytime you hear the Yoruba language? Shoko Sweni. At Yoruba City, our tutors are ready to take you from point zero to 100. We currently have a course on Udemy.com titled Yoruba for Beginners, where every class is pre-recorded. That means you get to take the class at your own convenience and you can go back for better understanding. And the beautiful thing is, everyone gets to learn, especially the younger ones. So, if you're in Nigeria, UK, or any part of the world, and you're willing to up your Yoruba game, this one is for you. Rush to udemy.com and get your own course. Run. Ireo.